today we're going to look at some motorcycle helmet fits. For this helmet fit check, we're going to be looking at this Scorpion helmet. It's a modular.
And it's definitely the best helmet I've reviewed so far on this channel. Like the Nolan modular, it has a built-in sunshade, which is awesome. But a feature that this Scorpion helmet has is this bladder.
You can pump it up.
And by pumping this up or releasing the air that you've put in, you can get a custom personalized fit with the liner to reduce wind noise or give you a very tight fit. Also, it has great venting options. So it has this front vent at the forehead and then a rear exhaust vent so that you can get air coming through the helmet to really wick away moisture. And then it also has the chin vent to help reduce visor fog. It has a spot for an integrated comm system, and the liner is really, really high end and feels nice. Just like the other modulars and open face helmets, this helmet works really well for people with glasses. You can see I can just put it right on without having to take my glasses all the way off. Starting in the open face mode, I'll just show you how it looks open face with the sun visor up and down, and then full face with the whole visor down and the sunshade up and down. Then we'll get on the motorcycle and see how it looks while riding. You can even hear on the video that satisfying click where both the sunshade and the visor really seem to be well made, and lifting them up and down is easy to actuate even with gloves on, and also they really click into place soundly.
Great helmet.
Here I'm pumping up the bladder, so you can do it easily with gloves on while the helmet's on, and that gives you as tight of a fit as you would want and really reduces wind noise, as I've said. And then you can release that air to remove the helmet easily. So let's go see what it looks like while riding.